My experience with Yavapai was absolutely fantastic. I can't actually say enough good things. I'm a self-proclaimed landscaping snob, so and I've done a lot of projects in my time. I've always bought brand new houses, so and part of the reason is I like to have my own landscaping design, not inherit somebody else's choices. So I really enjoy doing the project, and the crew. I think Hugo was the crew leader. He was an artist. I didn't have to intervene. He shared some things that I hadn't thought of, and it was a remarkable experience. The paver install, it was remarkable. There's not a paver that's not perfectly set, and the crew were artists I've seen bad installs of pavers, and this was just, I've looked, trust me, I've looked, and there's not a paver that's out of step. So I really enjoyed the amount of hardscape we used. I wanted turf that wasn't just in a square, and we developed this really interesting geometrical shape that I just love, and people come over and comment on that a lot. So I'm very proud of the way that all of this turned out. And my wife actually did the design initially, and Ted and I kind of fine-tuned it a little bit along the way, and we look at our yard every day and are just in awe of how beautiful it turned out. So very, very happy. I discussed doing landscape with several different companies before I selected Yavapai, and after the project was over, I was tickled that I went with Yavapai, because just absolutely outstanding from beginning to end. Now for 2 years we've been enjoying the landscape, the benefits of what was done. But the thing you need to remember is landscaping lasts long after you pay the bill, and the effects of having a yard that you come out to every single day and just are in awe of what was done is something that was important to us, and would not hesitate to recommend Yavapai in a heartbeat.